Welcome, of course. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how leather from crocodile is made, step by step.
All right, steady now. We're showing 95 centimeters right along the dorsal line.
The solar output has been excellent this quarter.
Yes, and the water quality here is pristine. Look at these juveniles.
Strap secured on this side. What's the monitor reading?
Internal temperature is stable at 30 Celsius. Okay to proceed.
The temperature reading is stable, but watch the humidity as it comes inside.
Roger that. Easy now, bring it straight in.
Humidity levels are stable at 75%.
Good. The animal appears calm and hydrated. We can clear this shipment.
Confirmed. The subject is entering the processing arch. All systems nominal.
Conveyor alignment confirmed.
Chamber door initiating closure. All systems nominal.
Make sure the label is facing out. Batch 042. Okay, setting it down now.
Shelf 4B, all quantities match the manifest.
Confirmed on the tablet. Proceeding to the next row.
Check the sulfide concentration on batch 3.
It's holding steady at 2.5%.
The tensile strength looks promising on this batch.
Yes, and the blue penetration is consistent across the grain.
Look at the fluctuation here on the vacuum graph.
Yeah. It's stabilized after the last adjustment. We are within optimal parameters.
Here, the gentle turbines ensure even circulation, keeping the humidity levels exactingly low for the premium hides.
The color saturation looks perfect on the emerald batch.
Agreed. The blue is also coming along nicely.
The grain consistency here meets the standard.
Agreed. The dye saturation is flawless.
The symmetry here is exceptional, but look at this small imperfection near the edge.
Yes, I see it. It's minor, but we should note the thickness variation.
Scan this one for me, footwear grade.
Got it. The finish on these greens is exceptional.
The synchronized workflow ensures every piece of luxury crocodile leather is handled with the utmost care.